Welcome back to the channel. It's another beautiful day here at Country Chevrolet, and you know what time it is. But before we get started, wait to stick around to the end of the video to get my contact information. I have a 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. Comes in a gorgeous red. 6.2 liter V8, so on average 16 miles a gallon. 10-speed automatic transmission. Come inside here and you have the AT4 interior with the black and Kalahari leather. Bose stereo system, memory seats, power locks, windows, mirrors, sunroof. Here's all your automatic lights and your four-wheel drive and 4-hole and tow haul mode. You have built-in navigation. You have backup camera. The trailering app, you do have the trailering equipment, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, dual climate controls, heated and vented seats. Here's your integrated brake controller. You have the automatic start and stop. You have the tailgate down. I mean, this thing is nice. Wireless charging. Here's your Bluetooth and menu settings, your heated steering wheel, cruise control. This 21 does have 27,605 miles. So you still have the remaining factory powertrain warranty, which is always nice. It comes with the all-weather and carpet centered floor mats, heated rear seats, storage underneath. Come back here, and your back bumpers have the side steps to help you get up. You also have the Multi-Pro Flex tailgate, which is hands-free on the remote with the button inside, and if you just press the button, it'll come down. 6 functions on this tailgate, which has been out for a couple years, so I'm not going all over all of them. This is the most popular, and it's good for 375 pounds on the step. Spray and bed liner as your handle. There's a little low-profile bed cover. Dual premium exhaust tips. And this thing will not last long. I mean, this thing is nice. We go through a lot of AT4s. It's very popular ever since GMC started coming out with it. And the 6.2 is hard to get nowadays. It's hard to come by. So my number's down in the description. It's also at the end of the video, like I said before. So call, text me, stock numbers, make a deal. Let's take this thing home. Website, social media links, contact me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to double tap, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.